Hi, I'm Bill Burke. I'm the CEO of Merit Solutions. Our clients tell us that the challenges they're trying to solve have to do with getting visibility to their end-to-end processes. And that means being able to streamline processes, to have visibility into the data that allows them to make great decisions, to use devices with the software so that they're able to have that information and serve their clients at the point of engagement. And based on that, we've been able to serve companies that operate in a variety of industries. Osmotic is a company that is a leader in drug delivery technology that operates around the world and is accelerating their growth, and we've been able to help them put a platform in place that allows them to scale successfully without running into some of those hiccups that can happen when a company is growing at that pace. Trading Technologies is the leader in software solutions, web-based solutions for people that are doing futures trading. And they're a global organization that needed to have that end-to-end visibility. Companies like Stanley Steamer that are increasing the quality for tens of thousands of families every year by helping them live in a healthier environment and helping Stanley Steamer extend their services at the point of a client engagement using information systems is something that we've been able to provide. We've found that by relying on the feedback that we get from our clients on a quarterly basis and driving that down into every level of the organization, that we've been able to increase the value that we can deliver for our customers based on the cost of our services. And that permeates throughout the organization. And what we've found is that the feedback we're getting and the ability to drive that into our methods and processes, the development of our people, the direction that we need to be investing so that we can better serve our clients, has been really powerful. We've found that by having a focused strategy of having the back end of our practice be really deep on the technical aspects of Microsoft Dynamics and SharePoint and the surrounding technologies, and the front end of our practice being really strong on business process transformation, particularly for medium enterprise and global organizations, that our practitioners are able to solve problems in days that at times it will take other firms weeks or months. And that's not an exaggeration, that's just inherent into the nature of the kinds of services that our clients need from us. These are very specific types of issues to solve by design, and the way we're helping do business transformation has to be closely coupled with that deep expertise on the technology, so that by keeping those together and the solutions that we're coming up with and implementing, that we're not wasting hours and time and value to get to great outcomes for our clients. Our clients have told us time and again that they value the trust in our relationship with them in helping them be clear and guiding them to make the right decisions and get the right analysis done about deploying big business applications. And this is different than the old model. Historically, a company would go buy software and try to force that into their organization, and that resulted in over half of the time the project not being successful. What we have found is that by getting clear and doing the work up front and identifying the risks and mitigating those risks and identifying the 20% of the processes that are going to get us 80% of the increase in value when we transform into new processes, and then fit gapping that and mapping it to the technology and being really clear on what reports are going to be missing and have to be developed, and really clear on what, if any, customization or extra configuration is going to have to take place, and really clear on what change is going to have to occur with their own people and inside their own organization, and how to help manage through that we're able to get to great outcomes for our clients. And when we do that, we have found that they tell two friends who tell two friends, and that's really the engine behind the growth at Merit Solutions. I hope you can take a look at the client testimonials on our website, at our customer satisfaction scores, and at the client case studies that we have. If you're a CFO or a CIO of a medium enterprise or a large global organization that is considering a business process transformation project for your company right now, we'd love to have a conversation with you.